Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a short video. This time I'm actually working in an instrument cluster for a 2008 Ford F-150. Brian, this is your cluster, Brian from Maryland. He actually attempt himself to do a repair, solder a couple of resistors and trying to correct something. I'm not sure exactly what it was, but then after that, the gauges are not in the correct spot and they were not working properly. So he's like, Mike, can you help me? I'm like, sure. Yeah, definitely. Let's bring it over. So he brought it over this morning and I now have it together and everything ready to go. If you have any instrument clusters or computers that needs repair automotive and marine, this is my website, MikeSalazarDiagnostics.com. And there you got my shipping address right there. That box, if you click in there, that will download the repair form that you need to fill and add in the box with the module or modules. That one is if you want to email me, you have also my email right there in my telephone. All right, let's go over to the test. Let me just show you briefly his concerns so we can see he sent me a video so we can all see what was happening. So you can see the needles that's in the vehicle just before bringing it over. You can see where the needles are, which are completely off. But then when he's doing the cell test, which you'll see with the cell test, after that sweep, it stops in there doing that shaking. All needles should sweep. Well, we don't have that part, but we can see how they're completely down into a position that there should not be there. I didn't notice that that would part he omit, but that's fine. So let's power this up. You can see now the needles shaking, which is just the battery power. I'm going to power all up, and now that's just the ding. Very normal on those. I'm going to put the gauge on to self test. In order to do that, you need to, with the ignition off, you need to hold this button in and then cycle the key twice. Wait till it says test and then release the button. That will do the swift test. So let me put it in there and I'll be right back, guys. All right, once we get the test, we'll release and now it's doing the sweep. And I want you to see that we'll come back to the normal position. That is exactly what we're looking for. All the needles are now reset and everything is working fine. Again, just a short test for a customer. I check all the balls and everything is now fully operational. And you can do a test, if you keep pressing the button, you can do more than just that test. In here, there is no bi-directional control with any of the scanners. I got them all and I couldn't do any bi-directional control. So in this, it's just a swift test. I didn't try the IDS. I tried today. My subscription is expired, so I have to renew that. But I mean, I can do that later. All right, guys. Brian, your instrument cluster is ready. I will contact you shortly and you can come and pick it up. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.